Got a long recording but only needs certain parts? Whether it's a podcast, interview, or voice recording, Audio Splitter makes it easy to split one audio file into multiple clips in seconds. Now let's see how Audio Splitter works. Start by uploading the audio file you want to split. Once uploaded, the tool will prepare your audio for editing. Next, select how you'd like to divide your audio into multiple segments. You can split by duration, where you set a specific time length for each segment or adjust it using the slider. Alternatively, you can split by number, which lets you choose how many segments you'd like to create from 1 to 10. Note: last segment may be shorter if the audio length is not evenly divisible by your selected duration. After deciding how many segments you want to split the audio into, you can now begin the splitting process. Once the process is complete, download the generated zip file. This zip file contains all of your newly created audio segments. To access your audio clips, open your File Explorer and extract the zip file. After extraction, you can preview each segment and use them however you need.
I've been thinking about starting a small business.
Really? What's stopping you?
I'm not sure where to begin.
Start small.
I-
Find a problem people have and think about how you can solve it.
That sounds simpler than I expected.
It is! You don't need everything figured out, you just need to get started.
Good point. Every business has to start somewhere.
One more thing, you're not limited to audio files. You can also use this tool with video files. Just upload your video and follow the same steps we covered earlier. The tool will read the video's audio track and split it into separate segments for you. The only difference is that the output files will be delivered as M4A audio files inside a zip archive.
So I was thinking a niche coffee shop, maybe with a bookstore vibe.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Startup costs for a physical location can be high, though.
Yeah.
And that's it. Now you know how to split your audio or even video into multiple clips using Audio Splitter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out for your own recordings.